Today we are making pepper-free Southwest beans. For this recipe, what you'll need is 1 large can of beans, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 large tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic. Dice 1 onion. Mince the garlic and put it with the onion. Chop the tomatoes and place them separate from the onions and garlic. Pour the olive oil in the pan. Make sure that the olive oil is spread out on the bottom of the pan. Turn the heat on to high. Then wait a minute for the pan to heat up. Then place in the garlic and onion. We are waiting for the onions to become translucent. Then we can add in the rest of the ingredients to the pan. Once the rest of the ingredients have been added to the pan, stir the pan thoroughly and then turn the heat down to medium. Make sure to stir regularly. The beans will be thick when ready. Take the beans off the heat and pour it into the serving bowl. There you have it, pepper-free Southwest beans. This is an incredibly flavorful and filling dish. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like this content and would like to see more, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next episode.